All right, here we go. We're going to move on to another lesson about reading notes on the staff. Okay, so today we're going to focus on notes that are on the treble clef. Okay, so these are the right hand notes. Okay, so everything starts with C, right? We're going to be going off of middle C for everything. So what I want you to do is find this note on your piano. Okay, so this is the C that is right in the middle of your piano. And we know that C is to the left of the two black keys. Okay, so before you can really learn notes on the staff, you need to make sure that you're really, really good at knowing what the names of all the white keys are. Okay, and so in previous lessons, I taught you guys how to be able to tell what the white keys are. So C is to the left of the two black keys, right? And any key on the piano that is to the left of the two black keys is always a C, okay? This one happens to be middle C, and it is only middle C, is not any other C on the piano, okay? Got it? Okay, so today we're going to talk about Every Good Boy Deserves Fudge. Whoops, let's put that right side up. Okay. So it might be in your music class at school or with your piano teacher, you've learned Every Good Boy Does Fine, or Elvis's guitar broke down on Friday. I've heard like lots of different ways of saying this, but I'm going to use Every Good Boy Deserves Fudge, okay? So how is this useful to us? Well, let's say that I'm playing a song and I want to know what this note is, okay? Now this note, I'm going to play it for you, is up here. Okay, so is that higher than middle C? Yes, it is definitely higher than middle C. Okay, so we need to make sure that whatever answer we give, we need to be higher than middle C. So let's compare this to this. Okay, this is the third line, right? So we're gonna go every good boy. Okay, that means this is a B. And this is not the B that's right next to middle C, but it's this B up here, okay? All right, let's try another one. Okay, what if I want to know what this note is? Now, you know what? This is not a note that we're going to see in any of our piano books anytime soon if you're a beginner. But can we look at this and tell what note this is? Let me hold it up like that. Okay, so this is the top line of the staff. So let's go, every good boy deserves fudge. So therefore, this has to be F. Okay, now we know that there's an F that's right by middle C, right? But you know what? This F is definitely higher than that, isn't it? So it's actually that one way up there. Okay, F is to the left of the three black keys. Okay, let's try another one. So we did B. Okay, what if we want to do this card right here? So this is the bottom line of the staff. So what note is this? Yeah, that's right. This is an E because this is every good boy deserves fudge. Okay, so this note, is it close to middle C? Let me hold middle C up again. Yep, look how close they are. So that means that this is the E that is right above middle C. So see if you can find that on your piano and play it. Very good. Okay, all right, here we go. Let me get this back up. Okay, we're gonna do this one. Okay, so this is a really common note, especially in the early piano books when you're mostly playing in middle C position and C position. Okay, so what note is this? Every good boy deserves fudge. So this is a G, okay? Now, how does this note compare to this one? Is it close to the one that we just did? Yep, it is, right? Okay, so this one is this G that's right above middle C, okay? So here's our middle C again. And then here's G. Okay? All right, we have one more of these notes that we haven't done yet, which is this one. Now this one's in G position. So once you're far enough in your book that you're learning something that's in G position, this note is in lots of your songs. Okay, so what note is this? So let's use every good boy deserves fudge. Okay, so did you say D? Yes, this is D. Okay, now is this note near this one? No, it's really far away, right? So this is not the D that is right next to middle C. This is the D that is up here, okay? All right, so we just did E, G, B, D, and F. All right, so let me just go over those one more time, because what we want to do is get really good at being able to tell what they are. So I'm just going to do them in random, okay? Random order, and you tell me what it is. Okay, what is this? Every, good. Good, so this is G. What is this note? Every good boy deserves fudge. So this is F. What is this note? Let's see. Okay, do you have it? Do you have it? Okay. Every good boy deserves fudge. So this is B. B. Okay, how about this one? What note is this? Yes, good job. Every good boy deserves. So this is a D. And this one should be easy, right? Every. So that's our E. So this note is in middle C position and C position. So we're going to be using those a lot when we first start reading notes on the staff. And this note is also in middle C position and G and C position. Okay. So let me show you C, E, and G right next to each other. So we have C, and then we have E, and then we have G, and that's what they look like. So if you play 1, 3, 5 on your right hand when you're in middle C position or C position, then this is what you're playing. Okay, all right, very good, you guys. So one more reminder, because this poor note gets left out of all the sayings that we have, right? This note is right next to C. So this is D. And in another video, I'm going to teach you about the word face and how we can use the word face to help us learn the space notes on the treble clef. But this video was about the line notes. All right, so here it is. Every good boy deserves fudge. And we can use this to help us identify those different notes that I just showed you. Okay, I will see you next time. I hope you tune in for the face video.